Is SEO replaced by AI? So that's something that a lot of people have been talking about, how it's this new thing, right? But it's uses a lot of the same things as SEO. A lot of the same tactics work in AI. There's several differences where it's like in SEO, you could actually know where your business is going to show up. You see like the positions, right? Whether you're number one position, number two, number three. In AI, it's a little bit different because it will generate this. You could search the same query multiple times. Query means you could search something up and it's going to give you different answers every time. Completely different, but there's going to be some little different things whenever you search it. It's with SEO, I mean, you search something on Google, you know, okay, like 90% of the time I'm showing up number 2, or 90% of the time I'm showing up number 1, right? And the other 10% it's 2, 3, 4. You know that. But with AI, it's a little bit different. So that's the main difference. But it's definitely not going to replace it. Why? Because as long as people are searching for stuff, there's going to be SEO, which is, you know, you're optimizing for search, what somebody's searching. As long as there's search engines, yeah, it's going to be there.